Yes, that's absolutely true. So let's start. In a bowl, take 2 tablespoons of curd and blend it nicely to the creamy consistency. So once you get this consistency, take some cucumber, some chopped onions, some carrots, some green chilies, chopped coriander leaves, a pinch of pepper powder, a pinch of jeera powder, 1 tablespoon of honey. Once you add everything, just give it a gentle and nice mix. Then sprinkle some salt. To the final touch, add some pomegranate seeds to give that tangy flavor. And then here it is. Our salad number 1 weight loss recipe is here. And I'm telling you, you'll love it for sure. And this is my favorite one. Chalo, bye bye.